How to retrieve deleted text messages on iPhone. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the best social media tips and tricks to enhance your messaging experience. In today's video, we're going to show you how to retrieve deleted text messages on iPhone. It's natural to accidentally delete an important text from your iPhone while spring cleaning the inbox. Luckily, there are ways to recover deleted text messages on iPhone. Continue watching this video until the end and we will clearly show you how to retrieve deleted text messages on iPhone. iPhone comes with a built-in function to retrieve deleted messages. If you have taken an iCloud or iTunes backup, you can recover lost messages from it too. When none of the tricks work, you'll need to use a third-party data recovery software. iOS lets you retrieve deleted text messages within 30 days. You need to enable filters from the settings menu first. Let's check it in action. Step 1. Open settings on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll to and tap on messages. Step 3. Select unknown and spam from the message filtering menu. Enable SMS filter from the following menu and turn on the toggle next to filter unknown senders. Now follow the steps below to retrieve deleted texts using the Messages app. Step 1. Launch the Messages app on your iPhone. You will see filters in the top left corner. Tap on it. Step 2. Select Recently Deleted. Step 3. Tap the radio icon beside the messages you want to recover. Step 4. Hit Recover in the bottom right corner and check your messages in the main inbox. The trick above works within 30 days of deleting that message. After a month, iOS deletes those text messages permanently. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't as yet, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video.